Jamaica is somewhere in the 5,500 US a year for per capita income. We tend not to talk about that. The Latin American and Caribbean region average is 12,500 or roughly in that region. The average. So Jamaica is below 50% of the average.
Rule your destiny. Rule your destiny. Yeah. Work hard. Dig.
So if Jamaica's per capita income can go up by just $1,000 US, just $1,000 gets it to around 6,500. They're still roughly at 50% of Latin America and the Caribbean region. So we think $1,000 increase is reasonable within the next decade.
Destiny. You own your thoughts, so now you got to get up and get what you want. In order to achieve, you got to take the chance. Believe in you and not the ones who say you can't. You can because you grow your dreams as if life is a feeling which you plant the seed. You cultivate it into your reality, then reap the fruits of being who you want to be. Work hard, dig deep, and soon you'll reach and rule your destiny. Work hard, dig deep, and soon you'll reach and rule your destiny. In all you do, just know that Jah is there and He will help you through. He called you by your name when you was in the womb, so call Him just the same before you reach the tomb because the world is ours. No let there be a thing you grudge nobody for. Don't even grudge the rich because you feel you're poor, cause riches from within will bring you even more. Work hard,